Guys, Schooltastic 101 here, and today, guys, I am playing this game called Feud, and you guys probably already know this game. Probably already seen people play it and stuff like that, but I wanted to try it out, and I'm with my younger brother, Trayson, so.
Hey guys.
So, let's start off with culture. Culture. Penguins are what are penguins? Cute. Yes. Penguins are annoying? No? Okay, fine. Are big. No? What are penguins? Penguins are
Cool?
cool, like you are wrong! How dare you?
They sometimes are cool.
Huh? Oh, of course. Penguins are just panda chick. What the frickers? Okay, next. Names. Frank. Jones. Really, Jones? No? Franklin. I don't know. Frank Zappa. Oh, what the frickers? Okay. Let's do questions. How long should I... Hold my breath. What? Should I sleep? Yeah. Stay awake. No? How long should I what? Not helping.
I'm thinking. How about play?
Play? You are wrong!
Hey!
Boil curd. Curd? Really can?
How long should I tan?
Water my lawn, boil eggs, whatever. I don't care. Okay. Let's do culture again. Indiana Jones and the dog named Jeff.
What the heck?
It wasn't there, apparently. I mean, everyone knows it would have been there. I have no idea. What do you think? Indiana Jones and the what?
I have
Lightning
no idea.
Thief. No. No, let's do this. Oh, come on. That should have been there. I don't know. See, I've never seen Indiana Jones, so I don't know. Names.
Laugh.
The Ninja Turtle. No? Okay, fine.
What's West's full name? Yeah.
I gave up on that. Let's go questions. When is a good time to...
Sleep?
You were wrong. Eat. Boy. Google feud. That's not how you spell feud. Oh, come on.
How long did it go?
Buy a house, to have a baby. Hostas? What's hostas? What the frickers? Okay. People. I think my dad is crazy. Insane. Fun. No. I think my dad is Batman.
I think my dad is.
Oh. Oh, cheating. Oh, jeez. Going to. Oh my god. Let's try people again. This game is stupid.
Amazing?
Amazing.
Don't you say it this time.
Google Feud. I spelled that completely wrong. Come on. What the f...
A nip? What?
Jesus.
I didn't say anything. I said it.
That... Okay, what?
I think I said apple. I said apple.
Mm-hmm. Culture. Beef jerky is... Beautiful. Amazing. Hard. Tasty. Is it healthy?
Nasty.
Beef jerky, is it healthy? Expensive. Is like a meat raisin. What the fricker?
It's not good for me. Is it good? It's not
I don't
good
know.
for me.
You guys tell me. I don't know. Okay. Is duct tape safe for skin? Yes. Metal. No? Pets. Safe for a dog named Jeff. No? Hamsters, fish, dogs. I was close with pets. My god. Whatever. Okay, Justin. I don't know how you spell it. Bieber. Timberlake. Yeah. Bieber. There we go.
Got two this time.
Justin. No? Sorry. Sorry. Do all celebrities have children? Really? Have kids? Have... Do all celebrities have... What do you think? Do all celebrities have what?
I have no idea this time.
Have a baby. I don't know. What the I don't know. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna leave this video here. If you liked it, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. And as always, guys, stay school-tastic. Bye.